Good morning students, class 6th, second chapter whole number, and today in this video we will discuss the order of operation. So what are the basic operations? There are basic 4 operations. First one is addition, then we learn multiplication, then subtraction, and then division. And sometimes some expression involve some brackets. Then how we will solve this type expression? So one rule we will use here, that is known as BODMAS rule, and BODMAS, B stand for bracket, O stand for off, then D stand for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, and S for subtraction. So if we have to solve any expression, then first of all we will remove the bracket of means remove the bracket, then in next order we will do the division, and then next we will do the multiplication, then addition, and at the end we will do the subtraction. So let us take one example, self practice. Exercise 2D, page number 47. The question number first: which operation should be done first in simplifying each numerical expression below? So just you have to see, and out of the given these operation, which will be the first operation to apply to solve the question. So first, question number A, 6 plus 7 bracket into 5. So first of all, what we have to do? See the BODMAS rule. First of all, we have to use bracket of. So in this expression, one bracket is there. This is the small bracket. And if the small bracket is this, curly bracket written this type, and the square bracket is this type. So there are 3 brackets. Out of these 3 brackets, if any two, for example, small and curly bracket are contained in the expression, then first we remove the small bracket, then we will remove the curly bracket, and then we will remove the big bracket. So first we will off the bracket, then we will do division, then we will do multiplication, then we will do addition, and then we will do subtraction. So first of all, this bracket will be finished. How we will finish this bracket? 6 plus 7. This bracket quantity 6 plus 7 is 13. So 13 into 5. Now bracket is off. Now next only one operation is there, multiplication. So which type of operation we did in this? So bracket off. This is the first operation. Now you can multiply. Then question number B, only you have to tell the expression. So 9 division divided by 3 minus 2. Again this expression contains this small bracket. So first we will do 9 divided by 3 minus 2, that is 1. So this is not subtraction. Simply we are removing this bracket. So 3 minus 2 will be 1. Now 9 will be divided by 1. So here which operations we are using? Bracket of. Then C. Next question is 6 plus 2 into 7. So there are two operations, one is addition and one is multiplication. So multiplication first we will multiply. So this will be multiply 7 multiply by 2. So 6 plus 2 14, then it will be 20. So which operation first we are using? Multiplication. So first operation we will use to solve this expression, that is multiplication. Now next one is question D, and in D it is given that 15 minus 8 plus of 4. So again see the board marks, there are two operations, one is subtraction and another is addition. So addition is first, then we will do subtraction. So first we will 8 plus 4, these are 8 plus 4, that is 12. So 15 minus 12, 15 minus, first we will do the addition. So how we will add? Addition we will do. See, this is the plus 15 and this is plus 4. So 15 plus 4, first 19, then minus 8. Now we will subtract. So first we will do addition. This is the first operation. Positive will be added, then we will subtract. Then the next operation is E, and it is containing 8 divided by 4 plus 6. So there are two operations. First is division and then multiplication, then addition. So first we will divide 8 divided by 4. That will be your 2, then plus 6. So first operation which we will use, division. Okay. Now the next question is F 11 plus 14 divided by 6 plus 1. So here this expression containing bracket, then addition and then division. So first we will do bracket of, then division. So here 11 plus 14 divided by 6 plus 1 7. So this bracket will be off. So first operation, bracket off. Now if you have to solve plus and division, two operations are there. So first we will division operation. So 14 divided by 7 will be 11 plus, as it is 14 divided by 2, that is 2. Now 11 plus 2, that will be 13. So which operation we used here first? Bracket off. So this was about the only question number first. Just we have to observe which type of operation we have to do first to solve the given expression. Now question number second. Now we have to simplify. So question number second, first part A, 27 minus 11 plus 4. So there are two operations, subtraction and addition. Subtraction we always do at the last, first addition. So 27 plus 4, this is the 31. 31 minus 11, that will be equals to 20. Then question B, 28 minus 8 divided by 4. 28 minus 8 divided by 4. So first bracket off, then division. So this is the bracket quantity, 28 minus 20, that is 20 divided by 4. So it will be equals to 5. Then next question, C, 136 minus 100 divided by 5. So there are only two operations, subtraction and division. So first we will do this division operation. So 136 minus 100 divided by 5, that is 20. Now 136 minus 20, it will be equals to 116. So this is the question number C of question number second. Then question number D of second part, 80 minus 35 multiply by 2. So there are again two operations, one is subtraction, another is multiplication. And in BODMAS rule, the multiplication is first in order of subtraction. So first we will multiply. So 80 minus 25 into 2, 35 minus 2, that into 2, that is 70. Now 80 minus 70, that will be equals to 10. So first we will multiply 35 with 2, because in order of BODMAS, this multiplication is the first, then addition, then subtraction. So here first we will multiply these two numbers. So 35 into 2, 70, then 80 minus 70 will be 10. Then question number E, 20 plus 15 divided by 3 minus of 8. Again three operations are there. One is addition, then subtraction, and one is division. So first we will do division operation. So 20 as it is plus as it is, 15 divided by 3, that will be 5 minus of 8. Now there are two operations, addition and subtraction. So first we will do addition. So 20 plus 5, that is 25 minus 8. 25 minus 8, now only one operation, subtraction. So 25 minus 8, that will be 17. So 17 plus 8, it will be 25. Then the next question, F, and the question is 14 multiply by 17 minus 7 plus of 5. So first of all we will bracket off, because this containing bracket. So 17 minus 7, 14 into 10 plus 5. Now see, there are two operations, multiplication and addition. So first we will multiply 14 into 10, 140 plus 5. So it will be equals to 145 is your answer. Then next question, G. Question G, 54 divided by 9 plus of 3 multiply by 5. So again see how many operations are, division, then multiplication, and then addition. So first we will divide 54 divided by 9. 9 6 is 54. So this operation first we will do 6 plus 3 into 5. Now addition and multiplication. So first we will multiply 3 into 5, that is 15. Now 6 plus 15, that will be 21. So in this way we will solve this type expression. The next is H, 60 minus 8 multiply by 12 divided by 3. How we will solve this expression? See on the whiteboard. First is subtraction, then multiplication, and then division. Three operations are there. So first we will do divide, then we will do multiplication, and then we will do subtraction. This will be the order of solving this expression. So सबसे पहले आपको divide करना है, फिर multiply करना और फिर subtract करना. Why? Because always learn BODMAS, bracket off, then divide, then multiply, then add, then subtract. So in this order you have to मूव। सो सबसे पहले 12 को हम डिवाइड करेंगे 3 से, कितना आएगा 60 माइनस 8 मल्टीप्लीकेशन 12 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 4। सो डिवीजन इज डन। नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, मल्टीप्लाई। सो 8 4 जा 30, 8 4 जा 32. So this will be 32. Now multiplication is also over. Now subtract. So 60 minus 32. How many remaining will be? Remainder will be 28. So in this way we will solve this question. Please pause the video and note down. Then next question, I. Question number second, I part. 15 divided by 3 multiply by 5. Operations are there. Which operation? Two operation, division and multiplication. So first we will divide and then we will multiply. So 15 divided by 3 कितना होगा 5. Then multiply by 5. So operation is done. Now multiply 5 5s are 25. J. Next question, J. 18 divided by 6 divided by 3. One operation is divide, another is bracket. So first of all we will do bracket of. So 18 divided by 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 2. Now 18 divided by 2 9. So please pause the video and note down. Then question number seconds, K part. Today we will complete the question number second first. So K is 20 divided by 4 divided by 5. So in which first of all we will bracket off. So 20 divided by 4 5, then 5 divided 5, that will be 1. So your answer will be 1. Then K के बाद L. L is 4 multiply by 5 plus 8 divided by 2 minus 7. So how many operations are there? Multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, all are there. So we will use BODMAS, BODMAS. सबसे पहले हम divide करेंगे, देन हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन हम ऐड करेंगे एंड सबसे लास्ट में सबट्रैक्शन। सो सबसे पहले डिवीजन क्या है, 8 डिवाइडेड बाई 2. सो 4 मल्टीप्लाई 5 प्लस 8 डिवाइडेड बाई 2, इट विल बी 4 माइनस 7. नाउ डिवीजन इज डन. नाउ फर्स्ट वी विल मल्टीप्लाई. सो 4 into 5 20 plus 4 minus 7. Now then we will do 8. So 20 plus 4 24 and minus 7. 24 minus 7 कितना होगा 17. So 17 is your answer. Then next M. M is 19 minus 15 divided by 5 minus of 16. So first see how many operations are there. First is division and then we will do subtraction. So first 19 as it is minus 15 divided by 5, it will be equals to 3 minus of 16. Now first minus 3 minus 16, 19 minus 19. Okay, now it will be equals to 0. Then last question number N. N is 19 minus 15 divided by 5 minus of 16. So there are two operations, division and subtraction. So first we will divide, then we will subtract. So 19 minus 15 divided by 5, that is 3 minus of 16. So 19 minus 19, it will be equals to 0. Then question number next, n is 8 multiply 7 minus 2 divided by 5 minus 8. How many operations? Division, then multiplication, and then subtraction. So first we will divide, bracket off. So bracket off means 8 multiply 7 minus 2, 5 divided by 5 minus 8, then divide. So 8 multiply 5 divided by 5, 1 minus of 8. Then multiply 8 into 1, 8 minus 8, it will be equals to 0. Then the last question, 72 divided by 9 plus 0 multiply by 8 divided by 8. So first we will off the bracket. In bracket also 9 plus 0 into 8. So addition and multiplication. So first we will 0 into 8, 0. So 72 divided by 9 plus 0 divided by 8. Now 9 plus 0 will be 9. So 72 divided by 9. Again divided by 8. So first we will divide 7 from left side. So always we do the activity from left. So 72 minus divided by 9, it will be 8. Again 8 will divided by 8. So it will be 1. So this was about the basic operations to solve any expression, and we used this BODMAS rule and did the question number first and second of exercise 2D. Hope you like this video. Please like it, share it and subscribe it. In next video we will do the question of exercise 2D, question number 3, 4 and 5. Thank you.